Users are the people who use EasyCruit to undertake their recruitment activities. This includes recruiters who create vacancies, managers who review and progress candidates, and administrators who maintain EasyCruit. To create a user account in EasyCruit, we need to have administrator rights. So let's imagine that we're the administrator. To access the users page, we'll click on Settings from the Start page and then click on Users. The Users page contains a list of all the internal users in the system. From this page, users can be created, edited, and deleted. To create a new user, at the bottom of the page, let's click on New User. It's important that we fill in all the mandatory information on each of the 3 tabs in order before we click Save on the Department Membership tab. The mandatory fields on the About User page are username, new password, repeat password, language, first name, surname, and initials. In the username field, we'll create a unique name for the user. Remember that usernames are case sensitive. In the new password and repeat password fields, we'll need to enter a unique password. Passwords are also case sensitive and must contain at least 1 number, 1 case change, and at least 8 characters. We then repeat the password and enter the full name of the user. When we click in this box, the initials field will automatically be populated. Now that we've filled in all the appropriate fields, we'll click on the Next tab to move on. Don't click on Save until you've also filled in access control and department membership. If we go back to the User tab, we'll be required to fill in the password again for security purposes. When we click the Access Control tab, we can select a predefined access level from the Select a User template list. Alternatively, we can configure the access rights manually by ticking and unticking the checkboxes on the right-hand side. Before we click Save, we need to click the Department Membership tab to associate the user with available departments. We'll select a department from the department list to determine which departments will be visible to this user, and then select the Grant Right Access and automatically include subdepartments if required. This will allow the user to change information about the departments and subdepartments. Then we'll click Add Department. The departments and subdepartments, if selected, will be displayed in the table below. Whether or not the user has right access for them will also be displayed. Adding another department is easy to do by just repeating these steps. Now we'll click Save to save the new user and return to the Users List page. Now let's see this process in action. Imagine that 2 different vacancies have been created. One vacancy is assigned to Department A, and the other vacancy is assigned to Department B. A user that has only been given department membership for Department A will not be able to see vacancies from Department B in their vacancy list when they log into EasyCruit.